So guys, we are today in River Inny. Конечно. И we kayaking with my friend Christina. Вот так и кидаю я флай. О, здесь рыба плескается. So, we're fishing today on the fly, and we're gonna try to fish on, to catch the pike on the top waters as well, surf bait. So one spinning rod, only one, a few cameras, my friend Christina, and River Inny. What else do you need for a beautiful sunny day?
Aside from my soul, there goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul.
First attack beside the kayak. Actually, that bike scared me so much. I wasn't expecting at all. But lake changed completely different. Something is to put completely top water. I was casting fly. Nothing. I had one bite. So it gets really shallow, really. I can't even describe. Strange, occupied by that fluffy stuff. I'm not sure what that stuff is. So I don't know. It's a bit weird, but I have a huge selection of lures, so we're definitely gonna find something. So I'm casting egg. It's like a popper. Has only one single hook. One single hook. Okay, should be fine. Second pike. Gone. No, still have. not big. That's it. That is not a big pike. Only one hook. Small pike. Go home. That's why I love single hooks. Less hassle, less problems. Okay, so top water is working. And I also have one, my own made top water bait. Very similar, I made like this one. Pike, not the big one. On very small lure. Very small lure. Go home. And very tiny wobbler, tiny Magellan. It's actually from the AliExpress copy of the Jackal Tiny Magellan. Another pike. So it's a fifth pike, but they're all in the exact same size. At the moment I'm casting borrowed bait, little soft bait with one single hook. Seriously hate triple hooks when the pike damage their own gills and everything. So it's way much better single hooks. If you want to have a safe pike and nicely release, you can see they take deep enough. So happy days. And you're not damaging any gills, nothing. So that is most important. Damage tail. Anyway, thank you so much. You can go. She was hitting in this lure 3 times or 4. So on the 5th, she actually physically took it. We're gonna get a new lure. If to be honest, I didn't brought loads of salt baits. I have almost one of each, different shape and colors. And I'm gonna try that we can leave. I'm gonna try completely different to catch the pike. Like this bait where I'm putting at the moment, I have for a long time, really long time. And if to be honest, I never had a strike on that. So we're gonna try to change it and see. I had one trying to do a bit fishing on this soft baits. Oh, it's very small pike, but I think I had a better strike the last time. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Small pike, eh? She's going home. And she's destroying actually my lure. But we still can make a few casts with this lure. Voila. Water is very warm in here. So nice to get such a strike. Another pike just beside me. Just beside me. Same size, they're very small. They are very small, but it is so nice to catch those little, whoa, little pikes. A lure stuck in the gills. Nice little pike. Okay, go home. Look. Again, same bait. And it's almost destroyed. So we're gonna try again. Same bait. Same bait. Okay, nothing. No? No? Pike, come on. Hit. Come on. Finished. Finish your game. Nope. Okay. Let's move on. Yeah. Wind is back to the game. So, what I can to say, guys, about the fishing. Lately, fishing wasn't great. Then I was fishing different species. Then I was trying to fish a perch, nothing. Chasing every single weekend, nothing. And then work. No time for. That's what we love to do, is fishing. And it's a holiday time, so I made a decision to go with my friend Christina and to do a bit fishing in River Inny from the kayak, like you see at the moment. Sitting in, enjoying life, casting, waiting for hits. Really, really happy with today's day. Of course, it's a bit windy and not always I'm happy with it, but I would prefer a little bit more wind today than completely sun. And it's supposed to be the hottest day at the moment for this week. And today's Saturday, I think. Yeah, today is Saturday. So it's the 2nd or 3rd of June. Oh my fucking goodness. Scared my shit. So what that's mean? That's mean, guys, the 1st of June we celebrate with my wife 10 years marriage. Bloody hell, 10 years. Oh, beside the kayak. So 10 years we are married. I can't believe. 10 years just went like 10 days. Where's the big pikes? There's no big pikes at all. Only tiny pike hits in a bait. Strange. Nobody hits from the middle of the lake. I should have tried to cast at the back on that side. And so, like I said, 10 years married, but I'm just relaxing, chilling, fishing, kayaking, basically enjoying my life. No wife. No wife. Oh my. Fish is jumping around me. Oh, pike is everywhere, basically. Just not every single pike wants to take the bait. That's obvious. That is completely obvious stuff. So, let's get to other anchor. Taip, taip. O, šita jau geresnė. This one is bigger. Oi, kai taškasi zarazinė. O, eina, eina, eina. Gerulė, šita va gerulė. Tai va, gerai peličiai. Eina tvarkyti su ledikaitė. Na, gerai bučiuk. Na, te. So guys, this one is way much bigger than previous pikes. And I'm trying. That's it. Oh, this one is way much bigger. Another went off. How did you stuck that hook in? Nice. Go. So there is a small concentration of those little beauties. Just spoke with my missus and she said, "Don't forget to put the ice cream." I said, sunscreen. Yeah, sun is very hot, so I'm probably gonna need apply the sunscreen. And I want to change actually bait in a fly. Oh, I have one. Yes. Finally. But it's not big pike. Very small. Gentle hit. Very gentle. That's it. Go home. Mad pike. And she gave me a bit of the shower. Pike was attacking my bait 3 times. Just made the bait to go. Actually, I'm pulling my bait on the top of the surface. The pike was coming after. But biting so gentle, very carefully. It doesn't look like it's a big pike. Seems it's a very small pike. And I have she came after. There you go. I got you. Just need to see. That's it. Small pike. I knew they are here. They hiding in the high weeds. Oh, second cast in the same place on the pike. She hit it once, and now she hit it twice. They all are in the exact same size. There's no difference. Thank you. It, same size, but still it's very nice to catch them, even if they are small. So if my memory is correct, this is the 18th day biting, only bright color today, nothing else. Come on, open your moment. Strike after strike. Dog water stop. Jerkbaits. Flies. Soft bait. Yes. And very, very bright colors. Pink, green, blue no. Yellow, very, very yellow. How I say, carrot color. So they hitting in very bright colors. Here. And I have to catch a big pike in this entrance. On a bite, like I told you. But it was a really good strike. They're always here. Always. But when you're coming, you need to find out what type of bait they want. Oh, straight away. The second pike went off. Oh, this one is bigger. Okay, if you could release yourself, I would be seriously glad. I see you can do that. I love when they take on the side. Just one hook. Unhooked and that's it. Bye. See what I mean, guys? There is a pike and actually hiding. Simply hiding. Oba! Wasn't expecting that. Gone. Ah, no. She destroyed my bait. That was a bigger bait. Bigger bait, bigger pike. Okay. 2 lures gone. Two lures gone. So one lure, a second lure gone. So let's put greeny salad tea. A little bit bigger bait. I know there's a big pike somewhere. It still have to be. On the top water. I caught the pike a couple of years ago, before COVID I think. Big, massive. But I wasn't ready. And pike pulled me straight away into bushes. So I lost that pike. And I would say it was my biggest. It could be my biggest. Probably it will be my biggest. But it wasn't taken, so okay, so I'm finishing my fishing trip, my fishing session, let's say that way, finishing my fishing session. A few more casts, a few more check in other places, but in general I think we're gonna go home. It's getting very late. It is a time to go home. Nothing happening at the moment. Fish is jumping, but nobody's biting. And that is a fact. I'm not sure what type of fish is swimming in here, but I can see it's loads of those fish. So, let's go home. Enough. Like I say, enough is enough. So, thank you guys for watching my video. Still subscribing. And I'm not putting any more videos on the YouTube. Life has been changed. So, everything is get different. It is what it is. Most important, I'm still trying to do something about it, but I'm not complaining. That's most important. And if I can't make videos, that means I can't. But I'm trying to make it today. And it will be on the YouTube probably someday. Maybe when I come back after holidays, because I still have loads of I'm gonna have loads of filming to do for you guys, because we will go glamping, kayaking, swimming, and it will be very, very soon. So stay, subscribe, put your thumbs up and down, and I will meet you on the water. Little pike, very, very